Do you like a Snickers bar? If you do, check out this quick and easy icebox recipe. So this recipe took me literally 15 minutes to put together, and on top of all of that, this recipe is super easy to make. So let's get into it. Here are the ingredients that you need to put this pie together, and you will also need a half cup of milk. So I put the Snickers and the marshmallows in a bowl, and I placed it in the microwave to start the melting process. So this is what it looks like after I took it out of the microwave. I stirred it up a little bit, then I added 1/2 cup of milk, and I placed it back into the microwave to melt it a little bit more. Stir everything up until it is well incorporated. Place your bowl in the freezer for a few minutes to allow it to chill. Once it has chilled, then you can add your whipped cream. So girl, I was trying to find the pre-made Oreo crust and I could not find it anywhere. I ended up going to 3 stores with no luck. I could have made my own, but I really didn't feel like it, so this is the crust that I ended up with. So pour the filling into the pie shell. That looks so good. So to be extra, I am adding chocolate shavings. And so remember that this is a freezer pie, so you have to keep this pie in the freezer. Just like that, this is the final product. If you are looking for a quick dessert, then give this recipe a try. Make sure that you share and smash that like button on the way out. And that is the end of this video. And until the next video, peace.
Off of homegrown good cause coming post haste, no more prolong. Jeez, I'm trying to get paid at the most. See it up close, don't freeze. I'm at the most. Trying to get paid, you know it's all still part of the game. They running 5 drills, I'm off for the chain, and I'm high still, looking like Scorpion. Get over here. Been some people trying to relate, ain't close to here. Think it ain't a sacred place, you done misinterpret relationships, just ain't been worth it. Fool if you think when I don't post, I ain't working. Never too close, I know no things certain. I walk in purpose, float on surface, fly in person. It's some stuff you gotta be birthed with. Leaving my mark in cursive, bleeding my heart, soothing the soul of yours, the hope they purchase. But I no longer need a piece of margin, float on and let it eat me down to love enough. My best days still a slave to $1 bill. I'm getting paid so bad I ain't dropping out a tip. I'm more thankfully grateful, cause these days ain't a thing promised to say you and I promise to get a hold them all. Before flying, you must embrace the fall, cause it can change tomorrow. Bless them, darling. Whoa, plays off a homegrown. Good cause coming. Post haste, no more prolong. Jeez, I'm tryna get paid at the utmost. See it up close, don't freeze, I'm out the boat. For us to move position is the mission. Had to learn to love and trust my own volition. And last year I had to max out on commission and ration it to the people that play the position. Your passion is one that never abandon any pushback. We cut ties and loose hands, yeah. I ain't the one to be tied to loose ends. Funny movements and key ain't close on, and I ain't so wrong to do it. King this turn run from home, and they be right in your face and intruding. Rooting you on to at the same time, you being your own demise. Foolish for that, I just count my stacks and keep pushing. Cause lingering in the past, slow improvement. Still I look back on the strength that it take when going through it. No winning, not to be pumping the brakes. I'm getting to it, no sitting around with no something to shake. Nah, I promise you I'll be one of the greats to influence the next gen. Hope they don't repeat my mistakes and all win. It's beauty in the mirror, keep loving your own skin. Everything in me for the public to keep eye on. I hope you out there handle the business, cause that's what I'm on. Yeah, cause that's what I'm on.